Hello guys, we're at Asian Lantern. We have two different types of cube, a speed cube and a regular cube. And now we're going to ask Jonathan to come and solve and compare the cubes. Jonathan, come over here. Come over here. Come over here, you slowpoke. Come on. Okay, here is Jonathan, and we'll be mixing it up. You should comment down below and say which of the cube you like the most and which one do you think will win. And please subscribe and push the like button. Okay, now we'll let Jonathan come to solve the cube. Here is Jonathan Chin. He's going to solve the cube. He's going to solve the regular cube first. This cube. And you can tell that we're in a restaurant. We're at Asian Lantern at 965 Main Street. You should come if you're in Hamilton. One cube solved. This takes about 40 to 60 minutes to solve. And now Jonathan's going to solve the speed cube. Come. He just learned this 2 weeks ago. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go. And it's finished. This cube took him about 30 minutes. Sorry, 30 seconds. And compare, and that's all we have. Subscribe and hit the like button.